three stages of payment na yun would be upon initial sign up, kasi that's when we will gather all your information, submit your application to the school. And then the second stage would be when you receive the offer letter from the school. So, after namin ma-fulfill yung i-apply kayo, makapasok doon sa school, once na lumabas yung offer letter ninyo, that's when you will pay us. And then of course, babayaran ninyo yung tuition fee, lalabas ng school ang inyong letter of acceptance or school acceptance letter. And then that's when we will start to prepare for your visa application to Austria, yung study permit ninyo or student visa to Austria. That's when you will settle the last payment stage, the third payment stage. And then, yun po, no, we will just wait for your visa approval. So, as we speak po, no, napakataas pa ng approval rate ng Austria. Hindi pa sila ganun ka-strict. Kaya, i-take advantage po natin yun. Siguro, another question nila would be, ano pag na-refuse? So, wala pa po tayong any applicant na nare-refuse. Hopefully, hindi po kayo kasama doon. Kasi po, sa Austria and other European countries, a lot of times, once you are already scrutinized by the school, nabigyan na po kayo ng letter of acceptance, yung immigration po ng country na yon ay usually satisfied na sila na, okay, mag-aaral to because tinanggap siya ng school. So, 99% po, no, most probably po is ma-approve yung visa ninyo. But just in case po, na worst case scenario po talaga, of course, we will keep on reapplying hanggang ma-approve po kayo. We will improve the application, we will make your application stronger, and we will address the refusal points, and then we will reapply. We will just keep on reapplying until ma-approve po kayo. Don't forget to follow this account kasi po, dito po pinopost yung mga contents for Austria and other opportunities po na in the future ilo-launch pa namin.